A very good morning to one and all. I hope you all are fine, enjoying your weather, right? Great. But still, you all have to take care of yourself because in this weather, we need to focus more on ourselves and we should eat healthy food. Okay? Try to avoid eating junk food. Don't eat anything from outside so that you can remain fit and healthy. Okay? So, now let's talk about maths. So, students, yesterday in the previous video, we have already completed our chapter number 3, that is addition. And in that, our last topic was estimating the sum. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay, so now today we are going to start with our mental maths. And in this chapter, in this mental maths topic, we are going to learn about the friendly numbers. What we are going to learn about? Friendly numbers. Yes. So first of all, before we start, you all should know that what are the friendly numbers. Okay, so the friendly numbers are those numbers which add up to the sum of multiples of either 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, they add up to the multiples of 10, 100 or 1000 to make our calculations easy. Our friends help us to make things easier now. So similarly in maths also we have some friendly numbers that make the calculation work very easy for us. Okay, do you know what are those numbers? I will give you a few examples. For example, if I have 75 and 25. So when I add these two numbers, I get the sum as 100. So in any question, we have to first of all find out that what all are the friendly numbers in it. If we have more than two numbers to add up together, we should find out that which two numbers can be added first so that our calculation can be made easier. Okay, so here in your mental maths also, here there is a conversation between a mother and Arzu. Okay, so Arzu's mother is asking Arzu to find out the total of some of the grocery items. Okay, and the price of those items are written in this table according to their product. For example, if I talk about sugar, the sugar's price is rupees 278. The cost of rice is 425. Wheat flour 300. Cornflakes 507. Pulses 300. Okay, so the first thing that Arzu's mother wants to find out is the sum of the price of sugar, rice and flour. Okay, so first of all let us write down the price of all the three items. The price of sugar is 278 plus the price of rice is 425 plus the price of flour is rupees 300. Okay, so first of all students, we are going to add these two numbers, the price of sugar and the price of rice. Okay, plus 425. Now I can see I have two numbers which one is ending with 75, another one is ending with 25. I will add them together. For example, 275 plus 425 plus 3. Now students, we will try to add the numbers orally. Okay, starting from the ones place, moving to tens place, then moving to hundreds place. Now the number on ones place, 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just put a little bit 1 on 7. Now 7 plus 2, that are on tens place. 7 plus 2, 8, 9 plus 1 carry over, that is again 10. 1 carry over. Now hundreds place, 2 plus 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. What is the answer? 700 plus 3. It will be 703. Now this is the total price of sugar and rice. Here we have to add the price of flour also. Okay, that is 300 rupees. So start adding from the ones place. 3 plus 0, 3, 0 plus 0, 0 and 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is again 8, 9, 10. So the total of the three items will be 1003. Okay, it will be 1003. This is how students you can make your calculations easy and simple. What we just did, first of all we find out that which numbers are having the friendly numbers. Then we are going to add them first together and then we are going to move to our further steps. Okay. Now Arzu's mother wants Arzu to calculate the total of cornflakes and pulses. Okay. So first of all we are going to mention the price of cornflakes. It is 507 rupees plus the price of pulses, that is 300 rupees. So what we are going to do? First of all we are going to distribute the numbers. I can write 507 as 500 plus 7 plus 300. Now what I will do? I will take the friendly numbers together. Friendly numbers are 500 plus 300, which will make our calculation easy. Ones place, 0 plus 0, 0. Tens place, 0 plus 0, 0. 100 place, 5 plus 3, that is 8 plus 7. So the answer would be 800 plus 7 is 807. That's it. Okay. So this is how students you can make your calculation much easier, much simpler. Okay. So you can make your own friendly numbers also. Like if I talk about 85 and 15, they also add up to 100. If I talk about 65 and 35, they also add to 100. If I talk about 10 and 90, they also add up to 100. So we have to find out in the sum such numbers that add up to the multiples of tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay everyone? Now do practice this at your home also. Now let us quickly come to the book exercise which is given on page number 150. Okay everyone, I hope that you all have opened your book, page number 151. Great. On that page below you can see the book exercise. Okay, and quickly over that write down today's date and mention classwork. Now we are going to read the question number 1. Tick the correct option. Here the question has been asked and 4 options have been given to you and you have to find out the correct answer. Now it is same based on the friendly numbers. The numbers are 363 plus 437 plus 500. So I can see if I add 3 plus 7 I will get 10. So I have got my friendly numbers. First, second, and students try to add on your own in your mind. This is why these questions are related to your mental ability, right? So let us add it mentally. 3 plus 7, numbers on the ones place. 8, 9, 10. 1, 0. 3 plus 6 is 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0. Now 4 plus 3. 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So when I added my friendly numbers 363 plus 437, I got the answer as 800. Now I am going to add 800 plus 500, which will be equal to, again start adding from the ones place. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 5. 5 fingers, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer would be 13. That is 1300. So which is the correct option? Option number 3. So put a tick mark on option number 3. Now let us come to the next part. 900 plus 23 added to 27 gives what? Now students, here also I can see that my number 23 and number 27, they are friendly numbers. How? Because when I add 23 and 27, I will get the answer as 50, which is a multiple of 10. I told you that we have to find out those numbers which make up to the multiple of either 10, 100 or 1000. So when I add 23 plus 27, I know that we will get 50. And when we add 900 plus 50, it is equal to 950. Yes, it has become so simple. Right? It has become so simple by just finding out the friendly numbers, adding them together and finding out the answer. Okay? Now let us come to question number 2. Find the sum. No need to do the calculation, do rough work calculation, no. Use your mind, concentrate and try to add verbally. Following the simple rule, start from the ones place, move to the tens place, then 100 place and then 1000 place. Okay? Let us see the first one. 777 plus 123. Again I can see it is a friendly number. Do you want to check? Great. 7 plus 3, ones place. 8, 9, 10. again 4 plus 3, 7. 1000 place again 4 plus 3, 7. So our answer is 7777. Now the C part, again we are going to start adding from the ones place. 2098 plus 600. 8 plus 0, 8. Why? Because any number added with 0 gives the same number. 9 plus 0, 9. 100 place, 0 plus 6, 6. And there is no 1000 place in the second number. So 2 will remain 2. Answer would be 2698. Now the D part, 2060 plus 1040. Start adding from the ones place. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 4 on the tens place. 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carried over to the 100 place. 0 on the tens place. 0 plus 0 is 0. Plus 1 is there in the carryover. So 1. 2 plus 1 on the thousands place is 3. So the answer would be 3100. Now the E part, again they are friendly numbers. Let us see, adding from the ones place. 358 plus 42. 8 plus 2 is 10. 5 plus 4. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 carried over. 3. Here there is nothing to add on hundreds place. So 3 will remain 3. But 1 is there in the carried over. So 3 plus 1 will be 4. Now the very last part is F part. Again it is very easy. The numbers on both the places are same. 999, 111. Starting from ones place. 9 plus 1, 10. Carried over. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So when we add 999 plus 111, we get the answer as 1110. With this, students, our mental maths is over. Okay. Now there is one homework for you, that you have to solve the worksheet given on page number 152 in your book at your home. Okay everyone, do it nicely. Take care of yourself.